Most people use LinkedIn the wrong way. They spam connection requests, send boring DMs, and then wonder why no one replies. But here's the thing. LinkedIn has a secret hack that lets you find high value B2B leads faster, easier, and without spending money on ads. And in this video, I am going to show you advanced LinkedIn lead generation. Hey there, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I create video about lead generation, how to scrape leads without any coding. I have been working in this industry for years, and today I walk you through one of my favorite LinkedIn to find leads for CEO, founder, co-founder, owner, or whatever you want, who actually want to talk with you. Guys, you already know, if you want to find any leads from LinkedIn, at first you must need LinkedIn person profile. Then you can easily find this person contact information like email address, phone number. At first open your LinkedIn profile. Let I search CEO. But if you want, you can search any decision makers, whatever you want. Click enter. I just click people. Now we click all filters. First of all, they show you connection. First connection or second connection or third connection. The first connection is the most nearest employee any company, and second person connection is the middle, and third is the far connection. If we connected any company, then we are third connection, and CEO, owner, founder, these people are connection is first. Then you choose location. Which location you want to choose? Let your client give you any specific location. You can just edit location and type your location name. You can just type here. Right now I choose United States. Now you choose current company. Suppose your client said, I need a CEO who is a work right now. A company name is Facebook or Google or Yahoo or Microsoft. That time you can edit a company name like Facebook. Or if your client said Google, you can type Google. Or your client give you any specific company name, you can just type here and click. You can click edit follower. Suppose guys, your client said, I need a CEO who follow this company. Suppose those person follow Facebook or Google or LinkedIn company. Then you can type LinkedIn. Then we can easily find those person who already follow LinkedIn company. Then we find past company. It means the CEO was working previous company, working their Microsoft, Google, IBM, or any specific company that your client provide. You can just click edit a company name and click here. Then you can click school. If your client need those person who are worked Harvard Business School or Harvard University or Oxford or any university, and a university CEO, lecturer, teacher, whatever you want, then you can type your edit school and click this box. Then we choose industry. If your client give you any specific industry, then you can click your industry service. If you don't find your industry, then you can click edit the industry and type your industry name. You can easily find and click here. You don't need this profile language box and don't need service category, because if we click industry, then we don't need service category. Now we need keyword. Let your client say you, I have 100 or 200 lists where he give you first name, last name, title and company name. So you can just type here those person name, first name, last name, title, company, and you can easily find those person contact information. So guys, now then we click show result. Guys, you know how to find any person contact information from LinkedIn. You need just edit one extension. This extension name is Kendo Sourcing Ninja. I already show you my previous video how to edit this extension to your computer and find any person email address with this extension. That's why I don't show you again this extension. But if you don't know how to edit this extension to your computer, you can simply visit my YouTube channel and scroll down and just watch this video. Scrape verified emails fast and free, my exact method to 2025. This video I already show you how to edit Kendo Sourcing Ninja extension and find email address from LinkedIn profile. But guys, today I show you how to find bulk email address using Kendo Sourcing Ninja tool. If you use Kendo Sourcing Ninja tool free plan, then you can check your credit. Normally they give you 50 credit. If you want, you can save your list with Kendo Sourcing Ninja when you search bulk list and max lead. How many leads do you need? So right now I choose 34 max leads because I have a 34 KB list. So start bulk search. So we just click show result. We find 7 leads. Those see your name, email address, company name, job position, location, date, and others, many more, and data. We find 4 private email. It's mean personal email, and we find 5 working email and 2 phone number. If you want to export all data, you can just simply click export to CSV, export to Excel, export to JSON. But you cannot export any data with free plan. If you want to export from this data, you must need paid plan. Like I choose export CSV. So guys, they show you check out bigger plans, export contact in advance feature. You upgrade your account. So we cannot export data. So how we can export those data? So we can just simply click Ctrl A and we click copy, paste your CSV file, Google Sheet, Excel file, whatever you want, and delete your unnecessary data. So guys, I hope now you can easily understand how to find advanced leads from LinkedIn and also how to find bulk contact information using Kendo Sourcing Ninja tool. I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to hit subscribe button if you don't miss my next video. Also, if you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. Also guys, you can connect my LinkedIn profile. I try to share my knowledge. This is my LinkedIn profile. Also, you can follow my Twitter profile. If you don't miss my any post, you can connect my Twitter and LinkedIn profile. You can easily find those profile link in my description box. If you need any lead generation service, you can easily find my email address in the description below. So guys, see you in the next video.